How to implement an ordered default dict. I would like to combine orderEdict and default dict from collections in one object, which shall be an ordered default dict. Is this possible?
The following using a modified version of this recipe works for me.
Here's another solution to think about if your use case is simple like mine, and you don't necessarily want to add the complexity of a default orderEdict class implementation to your code. None is my desired default value. Note that this solution won't work if one of your requirements is to dynamically insert new keys with the default value, a trade-off of simplicity. Update March 13th, 17. I learned of a convenience function for this use case. Same as above, but you can omit the line items equals ... and just output. And if your keys are single characters, you can just pass one string. This has the same output as the two examples above. You can also pass a default value as the second arg to orderEdict.fromKeys ...
Here is another possibility, inspired by Raymond Hettinger's super, or considered super, tested on Python 2.7.x and 3.4.x. If you check out the classes MRO, or aka, help, or orderEdict, you'll see this. Meaning that when an instance of orderEdict is initialized, it defers to the orderEdict in it, but this one in turn will call the defaultDict methods before calling __ built-in __ .dict, which is precisely what we want.
If you want a simple solution that doesn't require a class, you can just use orderEdict.setDefault, key, default equals none, or orderEdict.get, key, default equals none. If you only get /set from a few places, say in a loop, you can easily just set default. It is even easier for lists with set default. But if you use it more than a few times, it is probably better to set up a class, like in the other answers.
If last channel, click so you can